Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard apple juice. First, choose 2 to 3 ripe custard apples that feel soft. Wash them well, then cut them in half. Carefully scoop out the creamy pulp, making sure to remove all the black seeds and any bits of skin. This initial preparation is key for a smooth and enjoyable drink. Now, let's get blending. Place the prepared custard apple pulp into your blender. Add about 1 cup of cold water to help it blend smoothly. Blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. After blending, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure there are no remaining fibers, giving you a perfectly smooth texture. Next, it's time to sweeten your juice. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey, depending on your preference. Stir it thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved. For the best taste, chill your custard apple juice in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This makes it wonderfully refreshing and ready to enjoy. Finally, your delicious custard apple juice is ready to serve. Pour the chilled juice into your favorite glasses. You can add a few ice cubes if you like it extra cold, and a mint leaf or a slice of lime makes a lovely garnish. It's a fantastic, refreshing drink perfect for any time. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.